Wild toy.
Okay, go jump on it, Cruz.
Wait, turn it do.
Ready?
Yeah.
Jump over him. Whoa, that's way too high. I don't want to jump off the couch. Okay, do it one more time. Go. Whoa, now let baby Coco do it.
No,
Cohen.
I do it first.
Cohen, your turn. Go jump on the couch.
Not yet. I need to do this.
Okay, do it real quick so he can do it. Okay, Cohen, your turn. Jump on the bed. Coco, come jump over here. Come on. Come on. Come do it.
I'm gonna
Go do it. Yay! Look at you. Jump. Jump. Cruz, get off of him. Jump.
No,
Jump.
you wake me up.
Are you trying to get to Mama? Oh, come on.
I want to say one.
Hi, Annie. Hi. Hi. Say hello. Say hello. Kiss, 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 kiss. Mwah. Yeah, no, don't touch. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah, camera. Don't touch. Good jump. Good jump. Not on Mama. Jump over here. Right there. Good jump. Go get your brother. Go get your brother.
Mama.
Go get your brother. Go get your brother. Where's Cruz? Where's Cruz? Where is he? Go get him. Careful, he's on top of you. Did you get him? Jump on him. You deserve it. You sat on him. He's trying to get you. You found him.
I'm sleepy, Mama. No, Tony, I'm sleepy.
Cruz, say hi to the camera. Cruz. Pop your head up. Cruz, where's Cruz? Coco? Cruz, look what I have. Look. Cruz, look. You want some candy? Cruz, you want some candy? I saw you. I see you. Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Liz.
What's your last name?
Benson.
What, do you like school? Are you going to school?
Yeah.
What's your teacher's name?
I can't remember, Mama.
Mrs. S.
But Mrs. S.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Put your head up so I can see you.
I'm sleeping out.
Coco. Hi. Hi, Coco. Hi. Coco, look. Cruz, or Coco. Cohen. Cohen. Mm.